Hello everyone, John Wilsie here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned store location. Right here what we have in front of us is a 2015 Navion 24J, full body paint, beautiful exterior design, well taken care of, lots of storage underneath. Of course, with the diesel Mercedes chassis, running the 6.0 liter. Great fuel efficiency, easy to handle and easy to drive. Easy allowed to get on backup camera. Now, one thing I love about the Navion 24G is not just the rear corner, but the layout in this particular model. As soon as you walk in, you're going to have your power steps. Continue climbing in, overhead bunk with your ladder sat up. Natural lighting, sunroof shade there for you. Oversized U-shaped dinette table. And literally, you can sleep a nice grown adult in there and be comfortable. Beautiful cabinetry work throughout the coach. There's your corner bed there for you, and it's kind of nice because you do have the option for the head lift there for you to watch your entertainment center a little bit easier. As soon as we come through here, nice refrigerator, lots of space inside there for you. Lots of storage underneath, with every cabinetry opens up very deep. You are going to have your 2 gas burner, stainless steel sink, split, natural LED lighting, gives a nice beautiful glow tone there for you. As we continue, we're going to have your bathroom sink out here and your medicine cabinet, but it makes it nice because it's separate. And you also have a nice corner bath. Lots of space. Very plush, very comfortable, easy to handle, easy to drive. So folks, I recommend coming down here at Johnson RV, located right here in Medford, Oregon. Get a chance to look at this 24J. Ask for John, and I'll be happy to take care of you.